everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to talk about this ChainsPro Anklet that I have. So I have had this since last summer and it has held up so great. I literally wear it every single day. It still looks really nice. It's really shiny. It does have this extended chain right here so you can choose which length is going to fit your ankle the best. These links are 6 millimeters, but there's different sizes. So if you want something chunkier or something more delicate, you can totally do that. Holds up so great, so durable, because I have worn this at the swimming pool. I have worn it in the shower. I've worn it literally every single day and it holds up really nicely. I just think it's super pretty. It is made of stainless steel and then it is plated in 18 karat gold. So it holds up. It's not going to get tarnished. It's not going to look yucky or gross like a lot of other anklets do. I've had a lot of different brands. I've tried a lot of different styles. This one's been by far my favorite. I get compliments on it all the time, people asking where I got it and just saying how cute it is. I do love the Cuban length. I just think that it's like trendy and cute and it's not something that you'll see as often. So if you're looking for something this summer that is just gonna make you feel cute when you're wearing dresses or shorts or just something that's going to be showing off your ankles, I think this would be a perfect choice. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.